This trick is all about hand signals. For your novice title, the trick is 3 commands, 3 behaviours without using a verbal command. It's just on your hand signals. So every behaviour that we teach our dogs, we also give some form of hand signal. So when we ask for a sit, we tend to raise our hand, sit. Good. When we ask for a down, we tend to go down. Good girl. So here we're going to test what they're learning from your hand signals, not just your verbal cues. Now everything, when you ask, you're going to ask with your voice followed by your hand signal. So sit. Good. Then the next time I'm going to use my hand signal followed by the verbal. So sit. Good. So she starts to associate both the verbal and the physical hand signal with the behaviour that she's now being rewarded for. Now this can be any 3 behaviours. So simple ones are sit and down, and a fun one that mine have are spins and twists, also beg. Now these are subtle changes in your body language to your dog. So I'm going to show you with Summer. Good. Good. Yes. Good girl. Now I could have prompted her at the start when she wasn't paying attention, but you want them to start listening to your body language instead of just your voice. Good girl. So I had there a sit, a down and a spin. So we'll try that again. Summer? Yes. 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 Good girl. Good. Now you'll see the difference if I apply the verbal commands. Summer, sit. Yes. Down. Yes. Spin. Yes. You can see how much quicker they are. So she is what we call a verbal dog. She responds better to verbal commands than she does physical commands. So we do have to put a bit of extra work in. Check what your hand signals are to your dog. Often it's confusing. I have a sit and a beg which are very similar. So I have my sit and my beg. Good. As you can see, they're very similar in position. Sit to beg. Very subtle, but the dog can learn the difference between the two. So just make sure that the signals you're giving your dog for the commands are the same throughout your training. Good girl. So you can choose any 3 commands, it doesn't matter what they are, and they can be simple or they can be complex. They can be next to you and they can be at a distance as well. Don't make it too hard from the beginning, just make sure that they understand what you're asking from them.